Hello guys. Today I'm at Namanga, and you can see the Namanga hills right behind me. I'm here on behalf of one of my subscribers who had asked me to come and also look at his property because he want to do some developments, and he's not around. So I just came to check on the property and see how it looks like. And also I like the area. You can see the environment, how it looks. It's a lot of, it's very, very sunny. It's very hot around here. So you can see you can see the hills. So this is the property that I came to check on, and you can see how big it is, and the place is quite, and people have just started occupying, like you can see on the other end. If you can see down there, there is someone who has already built, and also there's another one here. I don't know if you can see on that. There's another building there, there's a house there, and there's another one here, and others are also on top where I'm going to. They have also built. There is also something that I've noticed as I was walking around this place. These people, I don't know if they are just influenced by the Tanzanians, our neighbor Tanzanians, because the kind of the roofing these guys are doing, my friend, are similar. You might think it's just one contractor, or maybe one technician is the one doing the whole of these houses in the whole community. And also you can also think that it's only one design, because the roof is just the design of the roof is just similar, be it a big house or a small house, it's just similar. I'm going to show you these things and you don't see. It's kind of amazing, but also it is a bit of a pitched roof. This being that the house is, I think the area is hot, so maybe they need a bit, they need high roof, pitch roof, so that a lot of it can have a lot of ventilation. So I'm going to show you just a few number of them and see, but it's one I think it's kind of those photos we've been seeing in the sometimes when you see one particular area, they have almost similar houses, and this is what's happening here. It's almost the same. Every house they have just a similar roof. Yes, so I'll show you around. So nini wanakatakata miti hapa. Bro, kutoka hapa mpaka town pesa ngapi? So unaweza nipeleka huko juu, natafuta maji ya kunywa ndio nirudi town. Ngoje huyu apige simu ndio turudi hapa. Hero, si nyinyi mko hapa? Sawa, si naenda hivi alafu nitarudi hapa hivi. I also had to go to a place to eat, so I was served with a chicken and a soup, a bit of greens, and also a very cold water. And also after that, I went to just get a view of the area. Like you can see, it's having a very beautiful hills around, which you can see from a distance, and also the town is very quiet. It's a nice place which I can consider when I want to relocate. Maybe if I want to live out of Nairobi, I can consider this area. It's very surrounded with a lot of hills with a good view, and also the weather is just normal, and also it's not a very populated area like any other towns. Hello, Mr. Bashir. and welcome to your property. So as you can see, it's a very vast property, and I'm told it goes all the way down to the river. I'm just trying to see if I can locate where the river is, but at the moment it's very big. Your neighbor is clearing his, so maybe I don't know if they are planning to do something on it. And also the type of the soil I'm seeing here, it's not bad. This one is by the look of things, is just a good soil that can do what we were planning to do. And it actually located at a very, very good place, because now from this it's a bit slopey, and on the other hand you will be having a view of this hill. I don't know how it's called, maybe it is Namanga hill or something. Then the highway is on the other side. I don't know if I can zoom it to see. The highway is there. I think my camera is not that clear. But so far this is the space, and this is the land, I'm told. There is no beacons to identify where the size, so I don't know if it goes until the other end, but I'm at your property, and a lot of trees. It has a lot of trees on it, though they're thorny, but that's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. Oh, that's a rabbit. Actually, I didn't see it. It's a very big rabbit in your property. I didn't see it. You have this is natural. It's just like a lot of nature living here. So as I continue to go down, it's becoming a bit bushy. So there's another rabbit there. I don't know how many of them are here. So quite a number. I've seen quite a number of them. Let me go back to an open area, because I don't want to go inside the bush. I don't know what is inside there. I'll try. And also there's those ones, the ant hills. They're growing taller, and there's a number of ant hills. Even this one is an ant hill, though this one is a small one. but I've seen quite a number of them around here. So if I can gaze correctly, I think let me try. If I can gaze correctly, then I think there must be a boundary somewhere here, because I'm seeing another house built. There's another house down there, so it means there should be a fence or maybe a beacon somewhere here. So I might not identify it at the moment, but now this is where the land surveyor comes in, when now you want to maybe fence your property, or you want to know the boundaries. But so good so far. This is where it ends. So to my gaze, I think this is this should be the boundary. If I'm not wrong, this should be the boundary, because I'm seeing there is something like, if you can see, there's something like, maybe it was it must be a boundary, because I'm seeing something going around like a hole. So maybe they dug that one to identify the space. So maybe it continues towards the other end, or maybe this is the point. But now we will have to see, because the river, I'm told the river is around somewhere here. The river, I told, is somewhere here. So I've not seen it, but I'm told there is a river there. But it's quite a big space. That's what I can confirm. It's quite a big space. It's very, very, very fertile by the look of things. A lot of trees, a lot of bush, a lot of nature. Like I've seen, I've seen a number of almost 3 rabbits roaming around, and also the wild thorns, the wild trees are also there. So this guy, I think this is your neighbor. He has cleared his, and also he has erected a fence. I think he wants to do a fence, because I'm seeing these poles, these concrete poles, counting from the other end up to down there to the river. So I think there is a river there. So that river is where maybe part of your land is going up to the other end. So yes, this is so you can see there is this wild thorns. It's a big one. So up to there, I think you are okay with whatever you've seen. So maybe I'll just take the samples of the soil, so that we go and do our test and check the results, if it can accommodate whatever you wanted, or maybe if it can't accommodate, then we plan on how to import, maybe buy the good soil, the clay, and a bit of sand somewhere else. But up to now, I think we are okay. So that's what I have here. Thank you. I'm seeing you are trying to call me. So from here, it was time to leave, and as I was walking around, and also riding. Sorry, as we were riding around, because I had to hire a motorbike so that I can get the easiest way to reach the places, because I didn't know the places very well, so I had to walk with someone. So the only way was to hire a motorbike, because they are very well conversant with the area. So she helped me around. So this is the area as we were now driving back to town. That's how the area is. As you can see, it's a very big land, and most of them have been bought or have been sold, according to how I was told. Most of them have been sold out, and still there's some areas with which are still spacious, and they're still on sale. So maybe if someone is interested, they can go out there, and maybe you find you walk around, do your research, and also if you're you get a new one, a better place, you can consider maybe buying it. But at the moment, that's what I saw around that area. And after that, we also now on my way back to the city. So enjoy the part of the video, and see you in the next one.